We've asked Santa and his elves to work especially hard this holiday season because we at Hoover would like to give you a sleigh full of great Christmas values on our quality Hoover cleaners.
This Hoover convertible upright with full-time edge cleaning and 4-on-the-floor carpet shifter is now specially priced at Lowe's $74.95. What a bargain. It's also backed by a full 1-year warranty.
So come on into your local Hoover dealer and pick up a sleigh full of great Christmas values.
See all the Hoover values now at Lynn Garden Hardware in Kingsport.